And hello, this is Hejin Lee with an evening update for Bitcoin. So here's the chart of the price movements that happened during today. And it looks a little bit interesting. So I'm going to move this aside, surgically remove the waves, and try and see if I can get something to see if I can get a better visual of what's going on in the waves. So let's bring this down a little bit here. We said this was 1, 2, I'm counting the white waves now, 3, which was subdivided into 5 by the blue waves. 4 was clearly a 3-wave ABC for the 4-way. Now we are on the 5th. So this is very interesting because now we're on the 15 minutes. I'm just going to stretch a little bit and zoom in. So I like what I'm seeing. I think let's do a count. 1, 2, change the color to purple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Key is where is 5? Where will wave 5 be? And we are on wave 5, I think. This is very interesting. So we have 3, 4, and the subwaves of wave 5. So this means wave 3 is the extended. Now I'm going to take a length of wave 1 to be approximately that. I'm not going to do any math or anything or what have you. The reason I'm doing this is because if wave 3 is extended, usually 1 and 5 are about the same in price height. So here's a peak of 1. Dang, that is pretty good. Look at that. So if that's correct, then the bottom will be $6,013. That would be really, really interesting. 1 will be equal in the price height to wave 5, and 5 will be at around here. Now, I want to go to 5 minutes and go here. Before that, let me take a snapshot of this for the summary. Hold on. So I want to go into the last wave. And I'm going to drill down into now. This was what I call a nanoscale atomic electron chart microscopy. 5 minutes. Voila. This is very interesting. Very nice. 2, 3, 4, 5. BTC 4. Now I'm going to count this here. This white represents the length, price height of wave 1. So what I have here is the following. This is a 5-minute chart counting the 5 of C of 4. And one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put it there for now. I think we are almost done. I'm now going to go back to 15 minutes. Bring this back. I think we are almost done. Five of 5 of 5 of 4 of C of 4. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 degrees of trend labeled. I think if once we hit 6,000, we can be done. I'll go on record with this. Let's see what overnight. I wouldn't be surprised if in the morning we are surging. So it may be coincidence, but if Bitcoin Cash is inversely related right now, in other words, quote unquote, non-phasic to Bitcoin, then once Bitcoin bottoms and starts surging, Bitcoin Cash will have its decline, I believe. Bitcoin Cash will decline maybe to 900 something or 1,000 or what have you. Meanwhile, Bitcoin will surge. And that may happen overnight. In the morning, we may see that actually being manifested. From a price point of view, let's see what happens. Prices could go below it to 5,700 or so. But based on what I'm counting right now, I think we're almost done. One more lower low, small lower low to go. Let's see how it goes overnight.